The illusion of stability. We wake up every day assuming the laws of physics are written in stone. We trust that gravity will hold us, that atoms will stay bonded, and that the universe is a stable home. But quantum physics hides a terrifying secret. Our universe might be sitting on a cosmic cliff. Everything around us exists in what scientists call a true vacuum, a state of lowest possible energy. Except for one thing. The Higgs field, the very fabric that gives particles their mass, might be trapped in a false vacuum. It feels stable, it looks stable, but it is temporary. We are living in a house of cards built on a frozen lake that could crack at any microsecond. The spark of doom. What happens if that ice finally cracks? It takes just one random quantum event. A single particle, through a phenomenon called quantum tunneling, could cross the energy barrier and drop into a lower, truer state of vacuum. This single event would spark a cosmic chain reaction. A bubble of true vacuum would form. Inside this bubble, the laws of physics are completely rewritten. Mass doesn't exist the way we know it. Chemistry is impossible. And this bubble will not stay small. It will expand outward in all directions, in all dimensions. The speed of light execution. If a vacuum decay bubble triggers anywhere in our observable universe, there will be no warning, no sirens, no breaking news, no planetary panic, because the bubble expands at the absolute speed limit of reality, the speed of light. Think about what that actually means. Information cannot travel faster than light. The light from the stars takes millions of years to reach our eyes. Therefore, the destruction of the universe travels hand in hand with the awareness of it. The very moment you would see the bubble coming is the exact microsecond it swallows you. Imagine you were looking up at the night sky. One by one, the stars begin to blink out. Not collapsing, not exploding, but simply vanishing from existence as the expanding void erases their galaxy. But you wouldn't even have time to point your telescope? Before the neural pathways in your brain can even register that a star has disappeared, the edge of the bubble crosses our solar system. It passes Jupiter, stripping the giant planet of its atomic bonds in a fraction of a second. It crosses the Sun, extinguishing its nuclear fire instantly, plunging the system into eternal, absolute darkness. And then it reaches Earth. You wouldn't feel pain? Your pain receptors rely on electricity and chemistry, laws governed by the old universe. As the bubble hits your skin, the atoms that make up your body instantly forget how to hold together. Your DNA dissolves, the air in your lungs loses its molecular structure, and your consciousness ceases to exist before you can even blink. It is the ultimate cosmic execution, absolute, instantaneous, and perfectly silent. The Cosmic Reset. But the most fascinating and perhaps comforting part of vacuum decay is that it is not the literal end of existence. It is not a black hole that crushes everything into nothingness. It is a cosmic reset. Inside the bubble, space and time still exist. But the rules of the game have changed. The Higgs field is now at its absolute lowest possible energy state, the true vacuum. Because of this, the new universe born inside the bubble operates on a completely alien set of physics. The subatomic particles we know, like electrons and quarks, might no longer exist. They could be replaced by entirely new building blocks of matter. Imagine a universe where gravity works backward or where time flows in multiple directions at once. Light might not travel, it might stay frozen in place. The stars that would form in this new reality wouldn't look like our sun. They might be cold, geometric structures of raw energy, casting shadows we can't even comprehend. To us, this is the ultimate apocalypse. The absolute erasure of human history, our achievements, our art, and our memories. But to the cosmos, it is just a software update, a clean install. Our universe has been running on a buggy preview version for 13.8 billion years. Vacuum decay is simply the system crashing, clearing the cache, and rebooting into the final, stable version. We are just the temporary side effects of a cosmic glitch that is about to be patched. The ultimate comfort. The idea that everything we know could vanish at the speed of light without a second's notice usually leaves us with a profound sense of terror. It makes human existence feel fragile, insignificant, and utterly pointless. But if you look closer, vacuum decay offers the ultimate comfort. In a world that constantly demands your perfection, where we stress over tomorrow's deadlines, regret yesterday's mistakes, and carry the heavy weight of expectations, the universe reminds us of a liberating truth. None of it is permanent. The Cosmic Reset doesn't care about our status, our wealth, our anxieties, or our failures. It is the great equalizer. If the fabric of reality itself can be rewritten in a microsecond, then the problems that keep you awake at night are lighter than cosmic dust. We are a lucky glitch, a temporary arrangement of atoms that somehow gained consciousness, allowing a buggy universe to look at itself and wonder. Our existence isn't meaningful because it lasts forever. It is beautiful precisely because it could end before your next heartbeat. So, don't let the fear of the void paralyze you. Let it free you. Live, create, and wonder without permission. Because in a universe built on a false vacuum, the only true reality is the moment you are living right now. Stay curious. Stay AU Minds.